Kizilelmas, the phantom of the skies that's rewriting air combat. Türkiye's Bayraktar Kizilelmas is rapidly becoming one of the most discussed aircraft in global defense circles. And for good reason. This unmanned fighter jet isn't just a new platform. It's a breakthrough that challenges long-held assumptions about air combat, stealth, and autonomy. A jet that looks like a bird on radar. Kizilelma's radar cross-section is so small that enemy systems perceive it as nothing more than a bird-sized object. This near invisibility gives it a massive strategic advantage in contested airspace, allowing it to approach targets with minimal detection risk. A supercomputer in the sky. At the heart of this aircraft is Türkiye's MURAD AESA radar, considered among the top-performing systems in the world. Combined with advanced onboard AI, Kizilelma forms a tactical picture faster than human pilots ever could. Its 360-degree heat-sensing TOYGUN electro-optical system provides unparalleled situational awareness, identifying, tracking, and prioritizing threats in real time, armed for air dominance. Kizilelma carries an array of advanced Turkish missiles, including the beyond visual range GÖKDOİN. What shocked global analysts was a world first. An unmanned fighter firing a real long-range air-to-air missile and successfully engaging a target. Neither the US, China, nor Russia has demonstrated this in operational testing, but Türkiye has. A swarm that thinks together. One of its most revolutionary features is collective intelligence. When multiple Kizilelmas fly together, they share targeting information instantly. If one detects the enemy, they all know immediately, forming a synchronized, coordinated strike network that no manned squadron can match. A fraction of the cost. At $30 to $40 million per jet, Kizilelma is dramatically cheaper than the American F-35, which exceeds $100 million per unit. That means Türkiye can field 3 Kizilelmas for the price of one F-35, multiplying its air power at a fraction of Western cost structures. A global shockwave. This isn't sci-fi. It isn't a simulation. Kizilelma's achievements are real, and they've electrified military analysts worldwide. From stealth to AI, from swarm intelligence to long-range precision strikes, the platform is reshaping the conversation about the future of aerial warfare. Kizilelma isn't just a drone. It's the beginning of a new era. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, smash that like button, drop your thoughts on latest military in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into global power plays. Because here at Intel Prime, we know power isn't always loud, but it's always strategic.